All right, folks, we've got a pretty amazing one today. This is 1361 Mithra Street. It's really in a phenomenal location. We're close to City Park in the Fillmore Gardens neighborhood. This is a new construction, kind of. You can see that it's a new construction house, but it's been owned for a while, and so likely will not come with a full new construction warranty. But you do get a lot of the benefits of it being brand new. Here's the parking situation. I mean, you could park a bus here, and it's got a huge in-ground pool. The property is offered at $649,000. So let's get inside, and it's kind of got some unique features, which I like, and we'll go through that together. We're on a corner lot. It's got this nice front porch. And here's your main entrance. You walk into this grand living room that leads into your dining and kitchen, so that very modern floor plan that we like to see. Lots of natural light in here, and the house is well raised off the ground. This kitchen is really pretty phenomenal. Great high-end range oven, all stainless steel appliances that match, great open shelving, and it's been decorated quite well as well. We'll go through here. We've got a full bathroom on our downstairs, and then we've got this, which is a private office. So this is really quite cool, especially in the day and age that we're living in right now with COVID and that reality that we're dealing with. You've got this completely separate but included office. So it's got its own locked door that you can use to access this. That door can stay locked. You still have access to the porch, say if you want to talk on the phone outside. I know I like to do that. You've got storage in here and a half bathroom. So this is its own little self-contained office. This is really suitable for the current work from home lifestyle that I know a lot of people are working with right now. So that's really cool. I wanted to show that. Then we come back here to this amazing back patio and in-ground pool. We've got our little barbecuing station right there, tons of seating, and I'm glad they have furniture out here because it shows just how large the space is. Nice manicured landscaping as well. And this is a nice in-ground pool. It's a little bit hot here and I'm tempted, but not today. That's for a different video. Got a little storage shed out back, and as you can see, that can open up. So if you're entertaining, that huge off-street parking area can be incorporated into your event if you want, so people don't have to walk through your house to get to the pool. Let's go back inside and I'll show you the upstairs. This is a great house for entertaining. All of the bedrooms are upstairs. I want to mention how beautiful these hardwood floors are as well. So upstairs we've got our bedrooms. It's 3 bedrooms, but if you count that office space, it could easily be 4 bedrooms. And that has its own bathroom and closet and everything. So technically speaking, that qualifies as a bedroom. Nice large bedrooms. You can see they've got 2 beds in here. There's the closet. Here's another large bedroom. You can see it fits the king size very easily. This one's got great views too. The whole house kind of does because it's all raised up. Another full bathroom, and again, really well built out, nice looking bathroom. And then we've got our master. Again, another large room. It's got a huge bathroom that's almost the size of another bedroom in another house you might see. And then we have a master closet here, and that's more closet space there. I don't have the key for that. And then we come out to our balcony. So again, this is 1361 Mithra Street. It's available now. If you'd like to schedule a tour, feel free to just call Chris Smith directly at 504-231-2004. And if you have any questions, feel free to call Chris or just leave a comment below the video. This has been Jacob with Chris Smith's office. Thanks for watching. I'm signing off.